In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add widgets to Notion. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just getting started, integrating widgets can enhance your productivity and make your workspace more dynamic. Let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly add widgets to your Notion pages. First, you'll want to open up your Notion workspace. As we begin, ensure you're logged in and have the relevant page where you want to add a widget open. Once you're all set up, we're ready for the first step. Start by typing in some text that you'd like to highlight. This could be the title of your widget or a section header to keep things organized. Highlighting your text gives you a starting point to access more Notion features. Now, once you have your text highlighted, you'll notice a variety of options pop up above your selection. This is where Notion's flexibility comes into play with its numerous features. Look for the option labeled Embeds. Clicking on this opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to integrate external content seamlessly. This function is crucial because it's the gateway for adding external widgets, enhancing the functionality of your Notion page. After clicking on Embeds, a new dialog box appears. This is where you have the chance to type, or more accurately, paste. Make sure you have the URL of the widget you want to add ready. Widgets can be anything from calendars, weather updates, to even interactive games. Whatever suits your personal or team's needs. Pasting the widget URL into this dialog box is pretty straightforward. Just ensure it's correctly formatted so it'll load without a hitch. Upon entering the URL, your next move is to confirm. You should see an Embed Link button. Clicking this will finalize the process, embedding the widget into the page. It might take a few moments to load, especially if it's rich or interactive content, but once it does, you'll see it displayed neatly within your Notion page. This is a great opportunity to adjust and format how you want the widget to appear. You might want to resize or position it to best fit the flow of your information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a widget to your Notion page. This newly embedded widget will enhance your productivity and make your digital workspace more interactive and tailored to your preferences. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Remember, the key to maximizing Notion's potential lies in experimenting with these integrations and customizing your workspace to suit your individual style. Happy Notioning, and see you in the next video.